Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the STAAR test and unraveling the mystery between an ECR student response scoring a 1 versus 5 points. Hey, I'm Angela, the creator behind Custom Classroom by Angela. Join me today as I discuss and analyze these samples to shed light on the key elements that make a difference in getting the most points you can on your ECR response. All right, let's take a look at the ECR checklist I will be using throughout the video that shows all the key elements and how to score 5 points. Let's begin with the ECR prompt for 5th grade. Read the story, The Camping Trip. Based on the information in the story, write a response to the following. Explain how Kim shows determination throughout the story. So this first sample scored 1 point. It says Kim looked at the instructions just so she can assemble the tent. When the trip gets canceled, she asks for the tent and sets it up in the backyard so the family can still go camping. She does all this so her family and her can still go camping. So here, this student did get 1 point because they do address the main central idea of the story. Don't go into detail to actually explain how this shows determination, and they're lacking in organization such as an introduction and conclusion and transition words. Text evidence is missing that also needs to be explained, and using more clear language. They also scored 0 points on the conventions because there are quite a few punctuation and capitalization errors that are impacting the clarity of the writing. All right, here's an example now of what a student that scored 5 points looks like. They even have a title, A Summary of Kim's Determination. In many ways, Kim shows determination throughout the story. The first time she shows determination, she is thinking in paragraph 4 how she wants to set up the new tent herself. In order to do this, she memorizes how to in the instruction manual. The second time she shows determination, she is getting the idea about camping in their backyard. Kim thinks about everything she wouldn't get to do and gets an idea. She asks her dad, who was still outside, if he can get the new tent and some flashlights out of the back of the car. From there, we get her next spark of determination. The very last time she shows determination is after her mom says that the park ranger canceled the camping trip. Kim gets the idea that camping in the backyard would still be fun. She sets up the tent so that her family can go camping after all. She puts it up all by herself and surprises her parents and Jalen. In conclusion, Kim is determined to make something that was a day gone wrong, a day of fun, and she succeeds. So here, this student has a lot of great things going on that score 5 points. First, they directly answer the question about, Kim showing determination through the story by introducing some of these key ideas. They also get the point for organization because there's a clear introduction and a clear conclusion. And they are also including transition words in all their paragraphs, which is huge. And they do stay on topic. Every part of this response is about how Kim is showing determination. The next point they get for text evidence, because they do include quite a bit of evidence here. It's not always directly quoted. A lot of times it's paraphrased, but that's okay. And they follow up with quite a bit of explaining how this is showing determination and kind of clarifying it. And then their expression and ideas are clear and easy to follow. And one sentence that was highlighted as pointed out in this section was, from there we get her next spark of determination, which is a great way to like craft kind of your exact overall feelings in this essay. And then finally, they do get 2 points for the conventions because they are showing a consistent command over their writing. They do have some minor punctuation errors, a capitalization error, but they're very few and they aren't directly impacting the clarity of their writing. You can grab your free ECR checklist now. Simply click the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join our exclusive custom classroom community for more valuable resources and support.